Do you enjoy listening to music? Then there are genuine ways to get paid to listen to music. If you are listening to music anyway while you are on your computer, watching TV, eating, or working, then there are many legitimate apps, websites, and music programs that will pay you just for listening to music. If you are a fan of jamming out to music and wondering how to get paid to listen to music, then this video will show you how to make money while listening to music. These days, there are lots of money-making or side hustle apps that will let you make side cash on your phone by doing simple things you are already doing in your everyday life, such as listening to music. Here are the best apps and websites that will pay you to listen to music. All these apps and sites are free to join. If you have been wondering how to get paid to listen to music, then you could get paid real cash for listening to music on your lock screen by using the Current app. You can search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations through the Current Music app. The more you play, the more you earn. You can also earn gift cards and cash by inviting your friends to join the Current app. The Current app is the only subscription-free lock screen music player that will let you make cash by listening to music on your lock screen. This app lets you earn cash rewards by listening to music while you are on your computer, working out, watching TV, eating, running, commuting, or at work. You can also earn cash by listening to free offline music and radio players. Every time you play music, you will earn points that can be converted to free cash. This app also allows you to earn cash rewards by completing surveys, sharing your real opinion, inviting friends, and performing other tasks. Earnably is a rewards site like Swagbucks that rewards their members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple online tasks, completing surveys, and watching videos. One of the ways you can earn cash and gift cards via Earnably is by listening to music. You will earn points for listening to your favorite radio stations. You can redeem your points for instant PayPal cash or free gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. You can invite your friends, family, and followers to earn more. When someone joins Earnably through your unique referral link, you will earn 10% of their earnings for life. Slice the Pie is one of the most reliable and well-known apps and websites that pays you to listen to new songs before they are released. They ask you to write a review after you listen to a song. If you like listening to music, it is a great way to share your opinion and get paid. You cannot be picky about what songs you review. Slice the Pie selects them at random for you to listen to. All the tracks are anonymous until you have received them. To review a song, you will need to listen to at least 90 seconds of the track before you can start writing a review about it. You will need a minimum of 4 to 5 words in your review. The more detailed your reviews are, the more you can earn. The pay ranges between $0.03 and $0.15 per review. Although it is not a lot, it adds up. You can withdraw your earnings with PayPal when you have at least $10. It is 100% free to join. Hit Predictor is a website that pays you to rate songs online. On this site, you can choose the music genres you want to listen to rather than getting a mix of anything and everything. But this means that sometimes there will not be much for you to review. On this site, when you listen to music, you can rate individual songs or artists based on your opinions. You will earn points for each rating. Hit Predictor pays you 3 points each time you rate a song, which you can redeem for gift cards. Once you reach 500 points, you can enter raffles for $50 to $100 iTunes gift cards or free DVDs and CD at 1,250 points. There are also loads of contests to enter and other prizes you can win daily. Radio Earn is an app and online radio station. It is 100% free to join. Once you have signed up on their site, you can tune into the station. You earn points every 15 minutes, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. You can add this radio link to your website or even social media accounts to earn money anytime you click on the link to listen to the radio station. Following the next month, these points will be converted into USD. You can cash out your earnings via a bank transfer, wire, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. You earn points for every 15 minutes you listen to the radio. The more you listen, the more points you can earn. The points will be converted into USD. Unique Rewards is a rewards site that lets you earn easy cash for doing what you like to do. There are many ways to earn cash on Unique Rewards. This app will pay you for completing offers and surveys, listening to the music, watching videos, reading emails, shopping online, clicking ads, and playing free games. As a member of Unique Rewards, you can earn cash by listening to the radio. You can choose any radio station you would like to listen to. Every 30 minutes, a CAPTCHA will pop up. You get paid for every submitted CAPTCHA code. US users earn $0.03 and British and Canadian users earn $0.01 for every submitted CAPTCHA code. The minimum balance for cashing out is $20. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, Bitcoins, or by check on a weekly basis each Monday as long as you have at least $20 in your account. Music X-Ray is the largest and probably the most reliable music listening website that rewards you to listen to music. You earn money for each song you listen to. You only have to listen for at least 30 seconds. You can pick your preferred genres, which means you can actually get paid to listen to what you love. It is a great way to earn some extra cash while doing something you really enjoy. This also means the number of songs you can listen to depends on the songs the artist in your preferred genres are uploading. Music X-Ray pays about $0.10 per 30 seconds or up to $12 per hour. You will need at least $10 to cash out. You can withdraw the money from your PayPal account. It is 100% free to join. You can earn around $100 to $200 per month listening to music if you are active on this site and enjoy listening to music all day. The money you can make by listening to music online will depend on how often you listen to music while you are using one of the above apps and websites that pay you to listen to music. If you get paid to listen to songs and write reviews about them, then how much you can earn by listening to music online will depend upon the length and quality of your reviews. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video guys, this is Rachel signing out.